Hey there, Sunshine. So today I have my March Dia & Co. box to unbox with you guys. So if you aren't already, sit down, grab a drink, grab a snack, and come talk to me about what you guys think about this box because there are some ups and downs and I can't wait to hear what you think. So this first piece is the East Adeline Lay Bomber Jacket in royal blue and yellow in a size 2X for $59. Now, I specifically asked Dia & Co. Everybody say hi to Pepper. Say hi, Pepper. Okay, so I specifically asked Dia & Co. to send me a bomber jacket because I want a new bomber jacket for spring, and I was like, it would be bonus points if you could send me a floral pattern like the one that they had. There was a top that I got in my last box that I really loved, so I was like, send me a bomber jacket that has a floral pattern similar to the last top that you sent me in my February box. So when I first pulled this out, I was like, what? But then I put it on and it honestly kind of started to grow on me. This is a thinner bomber jacket, perfect for spring. I do like the fit a lot. I feel like it fits perfectly on my arms. I feel like the collar hits on like a perfect area. I feel like it's the perfect length. I feel like it has amazing stretch to it. Like it's not too stretchy where it's going to stretch out and look bad, but it does have some flexibility to the fabric. I can move around comfortably. It's a very interesting pattern. I wouldn't necessarily describe this as like super loud and obnoxious. It's on the borderline of being super loud and obnoxious, but I wouldn't describe it as that. Paired with black, I feel like this is really, really beautiful. I also think that a mustard tank top would absolutely look stunning. From far away, it kind of looked like parrots, but up close, I promise you guys, it's flowers with like orange butterflies. It's interesting. It's very different. I do feel like the zipper is pretty easy to use. Honestly, I put this on and I came out and my mom was like, you reminded me of Jeffree Star wearing that, because I don't know why she said that, but I guess because like the pattern of the bomber jacket is like it's reminded her of like the Gucci stuff that he wears. So, I mean, that was her impression of it. For me, it kind of reminded me more of like a painting that I would see in like a doctor's office or something like that. But it's different. I mean, I don't think I could ever, I have never seen anything look like this before. So, but I don't think that it's worth $59. This piece, okay. I pulled it out and I was like, what's going on, Dia? What are you doing? But I love the zipper in the chest because I personally like showing off my cleavage. Showing off my cleavage is like my favorite part of dressing. Like I love doing that because I feel like it distracts from my double chin, which is my biggest insecurity. So it kind of balances itself out. This is the Presco New York Claude sleeveless top zip front tank in purple and pink in a size 2X for $45. I think this is the piece that I like the most in this. It's definitely very different though. This is not something that I would ever pick out at a store for myself. I don't necessarily feel like this is worth $45 though. I feel like this should be more like the $30, $35 price range. However, I am so in love with the cut of this tank top. I have so many problems where like these tank tops for the plus size women, they always like cut the shoulder too thin so that when like the actual like the sides of the tank top are cut out, you have those little like fat rolls sticking out from your bra, and like that's something like I don't know what they're called, but like the armpit fat pockets, you know what I'm talking about? I always have those sticking out in tank tops. That tank top covered it. This I don't even want to have a full-on conversation about this. Like I don't even know what my stylist was thinking. I asked for a maxi dress or a romper. This is the Michael Studio Valdez wide leg cropped jumpsuit in a black and light gray in a size 2X for $69. This is one piece. I like floral. I love the floral pattern on this one. I feel like 95% of the pieces, like yeah, there's only 2 pieces in this box that I didn't get that didn't have a floral pattern. Okay. I feel like my stylist started out on an okay note. Like, I feel like this box had potential when I first picked it, when I first started pulling stuff out. But then after this piece, I just feel like I had a different person stylist box because I don't feel like this is anything in my style profile that I'd have been like, yeah. I said, please don't send me jumpsuits. Please don't send me palazzo pants because I don't feel like they look flattering on my body. Okay. I love the black and white. I love the floral pattern. I just don't like how the material and how it clings to my body, and like it really clings to my lower belly. And maybe if the pants had been like regular, like just straight cut or like skinny leg, bottoms. I would have liked it more, but I didn't like the like fluffy bottom part of the pants. These jeans, I did ask for white jeans. I said, please don't send me capris or anything like that, because I wanted white jeans. I have to give them kudos because these jeans are not see-through, and honestly, I have yet to find a pair of white jeans that I can wear that aren't see-through. So kudos to Dia & Co for sending me these. These are the Morgan & Walker Lexington Cuffed Capri in a size 18 for $69. I don't feel like these are really age appropriate for me personally. I like skinny jeans. I don't like straight cut, and I put that in my style profile. So in this box, I definitely don't feel like my style profile was listened to like entirely. Like, I feel like it started off with me being listened to, and then I feel like somebody else came in and installed this box, because I feel like the rest of this box doesn't honestly really fit anything that I asked for or anything in my profile. The total value of this box is $281. Minus a $20 styling credit, because that's the cost of the Dia & Co box, and a 25% off credit, which would have been $70.25 if I had bought everything in this box. The total value would have been $190 if I had bought everything, but if I only wanted to buy one piece, that's what I would have to pay. This is the Mer Sky Macy's short sleeve kimono in white in a 2X for $39. I feel like this outfit, it was recommended to go together. I just feel like it's so much more mature than anything that I would ever actually wear. Like, yeah, I'm not happy with this at all. I mean, I like the white and everything like that, but I don't, okay, the capris don't fit me really, honestly, from the mid-thigh all the way down. They aren't the exact fit that I like. I do like white and everything like that, and I don't hate the kimono. I don't hate the kimono like entirely. I wish it had some embellishments to make it a little bit more exciting, but it was recommended that I pair these two pieces together, and I don't feel like they go together very well. That's everything that I got in my Dia & Co box. I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.